So hello everyone, welcome again to this YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about that how we can push a local project on GitHub. So in this video we are going to talk about what is Git and what is GitHub, what is the difference between Git and GitHub, and how we can push a project that is on local to the GitHub. So let's get started. So the first thing is, what is the difference between Git and GitHub? So Git is a free and open source distributed version control system, and whereas GitHub is a website that offers a cloud-based Git repository. So I have here put on the key differences between Git and GitHub. So if you see the first one, it is a software, and GitHub, it is a service. And second one, it is installed locally on the system. So you install Git locally on the system, and GitHub, it is hosted on the web. And it is a command line tool, whereas GitHub, it provides a graphical interface. Git is a tool to manage different version of edit made to file in Git repository, whereas GitHub is a space to upload a copy of Git repository. So I hope you understand that what is the key difference between Git and GitHub. Okay, so let's see what we have next. So now we have to learn that how we can push a local project to GitHub in a simple steps. So these are the 5 steps, but let me show you first practically, and then we can get back to all these commands and we can execute all the command one by one. So let's create a new project on local, and let's try to push it on GitHub. So as you can see that I have created a simple Maven project on Eclipse. And if you don't know how to create a simple Maven project, simply you can click on file and go to new and then to others. And from here you can create a Maven project. So now we have got a simple project on our local system. Now our task is to push it into the GitHub. Okay. So before that, let me log in to my GitHub account and let me create a repo from there as well. Right now I am on my GitHub account. I have created a new account for GitHub for this video specifically. So simply you have to do one thing. You have to simply create a new repo in which you want to push that newly created local project. Okay, so let's name it a new repo. Okay, I'll simply create it. I'm keeping it public right now. Okay, so this is I have created a new repo, and you can see that there is no code right now here. So we have to push our project here. Okay, so let's go to the steps that how we can do this stuff. So now let's go step by step. So first thing we have to do is we have to hit a command git init so that we can initialize the Git repository in that folder. So let's do that first. We have to move to the location of the project that we have created. Simply right click and go to properties, and you can see here that project is here, second test. I am going into the project, and now hit a command git init. So this is going to initialize an empty git repo in this folder. Okay, so you can clearly see that git repo has been initialized. So let's go to the second step, what exactly it is. So the second step is git add dot. It is going to add all the files that we have created recently in project, and then we have to commit all the files. Git commit -m and then comment that whatever command you want to put. So these are the two commands I am going to execute. Okay, so now I have to hit command git add. Okay, I have added all the files. Then git commit -m, then I can simply write first code. Okay, so I have entered the two commands git add dot and git commit -m, then whatever command I have put over here. Okay, so let's see what are the next commands. So now the other two commands are git remote add origin and the URL of the repo that we have created recently from our GitHub account. So this is basically we are pointing the to the GitHub repo. So we are pointing our Git to the GitHub repo. Okay. So this is the command we are going to hit. Then git push set upstream origin master, pushing the code to the GitHub. Okay. So these are the two commands that we are going to hit, and after that you can clearly see that it is going to be at a GitHub. If you open the GitHub account, you are going to see this project over there under the repo that we have created. Okay, so let's hit these commands and let's see. So for the next command, I have to paste this URL of this repo, and I'm copying it from here, and simply I am pasting it after the command. Okay, git remote add origin, and I'm just pasting the URL of repo. Okay, I have hit this command. So now next command is, let me paste it from here. Let me paste it from here. You can simply copy, and then let's go here and simply hit it. Okay, let's see. So you can clearly see that it has pushed our project to the GitHub. So let's just simply refresh it. So you can clearly see that we have got our local project in our GitHub repo that we have created. So these are the very simple steps that you can follow. And one thing that I would advise here is that you should have Git credentials that are already set for a Git. You should have Git username and password. Okay, so that is prerequisite for this video. So this is all from the video, and if you like the video, please subscribe to this channel and please do share the video. Thank you.